guys, what's up? It's Monday morning, afternoon. Right now, it's almost 5 o'clock, so evening. But it's been an amazing Monday for me. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, but today was an amazing day for me. I actually, in the morning, I ended up rapping Merchant of Venice Act 3, Scene 3. It was fun. I wanted people to have fun and enjoy the video. And some of my kids were kind enough to send it across to this famous ICSE meme page on Instagram called ICSE Toughest Boards of All. If you're an ICSE student, you should be following this page. So that I get more views actually. So far, I think I've got 11K, 11,000 views. It's the last time 11,000 people watched me doing something and admiring what I do was never. But anyways, let me start with today's lecture. I want to focus on 5 common mistakes that kids and parents, not all of them. I mean, there are parents who are well versed with the language. This is generally speaking, a lot of people make these mistakes. I went through a lot of videos on YouTube to see if someone was doing something like this, and there are lots of videos focusing on mistakes that people make while talking in English. Uh, the only difference is these guys try to deconstruct the language. They talk about the rules. They use words like subject and predicate and clauses, which I hate. I hate using these technical terms. I think I'm going to try and make it simpler for you without any of these deconstructions. Mistake number one that people make. This is normally observed when you are sending across a doubt to someone, or you've texted somebody and you are expecting a reply and you end up saying reply back. Okay. Reply back is incorrect English. The word reply by itself means that you're expecting an answer. Do not use back. It becomes redundant. All right. It's like saying, it's like saying, you're getting the idea. It was a stupid example, but I hope you'll remember the stupid example. Okay, so the first mistake: do not ever use the word back after saying reply. The word reply by itself is enough. Okay. Mistake number two: people say preponed. Okay, when you want to say something has been preponed, say it's been brought forward. Okay, the dates have been brought forward. You do not use the word preponed. Mistake number three: I've often heard kids say, sir, sorry, we could not inform our parents because our parents are out of station. All right, you or parents also use this quite a lot. They say that, hey, sir, we want to go out of station for some time. No, you want to go out of town. All right, you never say station. Say out of town. Out of station is, it's just not right. All right, say out of town. The fourth mistake is something that we hear in the classroom quite a lot. When you're explaining a concept to a kid and the kid doesn't want to listen to it, the kid ends up saying, sir, my head is paining. Or I've often seen kids actually say, sir, my head is paining. Okay, that's because they lose track of their lives. Okay. So, anyways, but my head is paining is incorrect English. You never use that, all right? Because it's wrong. What you simply say is, sir, my head is hurting, or sir, I have a headache. The next time you want to bunk a lecture, don't use this excuse. It's a cliched thing, all right? So use something new. Sir, I want to go save the world. Sir, I want to go buy an ice cream. Now that's refreshing. It's refreshing to hear the truth. Sir, I want to leave your lecture because it's boring. Okay, don't say, sir, my head is paining. Fifth mistake, and this is a mistake that makes me cringe a lot. Okay, people keep using a past tense after using the word didn't. Okay, I didn't eat my food. I didn't ran after him. Sir, I didn't did my homework. Or most commonly, I didn't knew that there was some homework given. Never use a past tense after the word didn't. It's incorrect English. You say, I didn't know. I didn't run after him. I didn't eat my food. I didn't exercise today. All right. Never ever use a past tense after didn't. All right. So these were my 5 mistakes. I'm going to quickly revise them again. A, never use back after reply. B, never use the word preponed or avoid using the word preponed. Okay. Say that the dates have been brought forward or an event has been brought forward. Okay. Third, never say out of station. Say out of town. All right. Fourth, my head is paining is incorrect. Okay. My head is hurting or I've got a headache. And fifth, never use a past tense after didn't. Okay. Well, so I hope this lecture helped. It's not a lecture. It's just 5 errors I wanted to focus on. I hope all of you got it, and I'll send across more of these. So each day you learn 5. new things. Okay, and if you start avoiding these mistakes, I'm sure your English will improve. By the end of this quarantine, you will notice a difference in the way you speak or the way you write. You may not realize it now because these mistakes seem small, but these small errors are what cost you marks in grammar. All right, so take care. I love you guys. All right, bye.